What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me, but only nice things, please. Today I am going to talk about mixing color and how to do it. So I know this is a super basic thing for some people, and maybe this is not something that you need, but maybe it is because you're watching this video. I'm remembering way before cosmetology school when I used to try to do my own color. And the first few times when I went to mix up color, I wasn't ever sure if I was doing it quite right, and I probably wasn't. Basically, you just want to be crazy thorough. Getting one of these little baby whisks is the best decision you can possibly make. So just get a little tiny whisk and just kind of, whisk it like you would your eggs till there's no more clumps. If it is bleach or lightener powder, then it's okay if it's got a couple of little lumps, or if you're doing balayage stuff with a clay-based lightener, that's fine too. But in general, you want to get it as smooth as possible. The reason that this is going to be more effective than using a brush is what can happen is with the brush, little pieces of pigment get stuck in the bristles, and then they're not getting mixed all the way in to your color mixture, and so your color isn't going to turn out as well. If you're mixing a lot of different things together, in the salon we use Aveda, and Aveda is super custom, so we mix our base color and then whatever sort of pigments we want to see go in separate. So in that instance, it's super, super, super important that you're thoroughly mixing because it hasn't been pre-mixed in the bottle. So I just kind of take that information with me no matter what kind of color I'm using, because I want it to look the best it possibly can each and every time. All right, y'all, I hope that you found this video helpful and you feel a little bit more confident mixing your color at home. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's The Real Ray. Bye.